viewers, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching AHA Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
Good morning to everyone. Now I have to explain how to correct the exam paper by using Zodo app. Before that, we have to convert the image to PDF. Because of that, you go to the Play Store and type Top Scanner, and you have to install that app Top Scanner. I showed in that video. You have to install it. Already I installed. After you have to install it, just you have to get back and go to the gallery, and you have to select what the picture you need, and you give send. It goes to ask some options here. You select Top Scanner. Directly it goes to that app and it automatically converted into PDF like this. Automatically it converted. Now you give the button share, and before that, if you need to crop it, means you have to adjust and crop it, because some of the students send irregularly. So because of that, you need to if we need, means we have to use that crop option. We have to use that crop, and everything it finished, means finally we have to save this one into Google Drive. So one by one page I will check and crop it everything. So the final page is there. I have to crop it. After finishing this, and informed you how to save this in Google Drive. Now everything I have to crop it. I have to see each and every pages are perfect. Now you click that share button. You go with the share and click the save to drive, and you have to see. I have to so many folders that there. 10th CBSE, 10th state, already I created like that folder. I go with the 10th CBSE. Inside of the 10th CBSE, I have two folders I created, corrected and not corrected. I just select not corrected option, and I have to give select and save. Now the file is saved. Next, what we have to do, you have to get back from the app. You have to get out from the app, and you have to go and check whether your file is there or not. Before that, you again click the Google Drive and click 10th CBSE, that not corrected. So I have to create a 3 student paper like this. You need to rename, means just you click that button and you have to give rename. For example, I give one name like Dikshita. So just you have to type and rename it. What are the students' name? You have to rename it. Dikshita, I give the name Dikshita. After you have to rename it, you give rename. It's saved now. And after that, again you get out from that one. You move to the Play Store again, and you have to download now Zodo app. Is that ZODO? So this is the Zodo app. Already I installed. You give open. After installed it, you have to open it, and you have to click the menu button. Left corner is there, and go to Drive, Google Drive, and you have to select My Drive. Where you have to save it, you have to select My Drive. So again I click that menu and go with My Drive. So here 10th CBSE, I click that not corrected paper. So 3 papers are there. So I choose one. Now you click the options there, that edit option is there. You click, you got tools like this. You click it, means you got some tools. Yeah. Now you have to see the first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. You click that pen. You got so many colors like green, blue. You click red. We have to correct through the red pen. And you have to correct how much size you need. You have to select it. After that, we move on to the corrections. So there is nothing to way. Directly you have to use your finger Just you have to take it and put the mark, everything. It's very easiest way to correct the paper. So for the only thing, after finishing everything, the paper correction is very easy. So like that you have to correct it. So just I have to show how to correct an example. I show everything, how to take and how to give the mark. I just use this only my finger. I don't have any touch pen at all. So I use my finger only. I have to correct it everything. Just you have to watch 2 papers. I have to correct it. So once you page you have to correct it means you see that yellow color in below that green color tick is there. You have to click it for every pages. After that only you move on to the next page. Otherwise it's make annotation for all the paper. So because of that, every time you click that green and you take another page, again you click that pen and start correction. So process should be on each and every pages. You have to save and move. So now I think so I completed all the pages by checking each and every pages if you corrected or not. As usual, we have to correct it. And again what we have to do, we have to move back to select another paper. So I have to put the total for out of 20, for example. It gives it 12 out of 20. And after that I just go back and I have to select another paper. You click the option, back option. You give share. A share link is there. And go with the Google Drive, save to Drive. Now you see you have to select it. Already it's not corrected. Now you selected corrected paper because Dikshita paper I corrected. So because of that I have to go and click corrected and I select and save. Already the name is there, because of that directly I save it. So now one paper I finish the correction everything and I have to save that one into Google Drive. Again I move to the Google Drive and I have to select another paper like Divin Dikshit. Again I start the same process what we have to do the previous paper. The same process I have to do and I have to correct it everything. After corrections, the same process, just you have to refer in the sense I show everything. Manually I correct it through my finger. After finishing per page, just you see you click the green tick mark. So once the paper correction means you go to the Google Drive and you have to save it. So it's moving on. So the same process I do it. Save to Drive. Already we selected corrected, but once again you have to see whether it should be corrected or not corrected. If it is not corrected, you select the option properly and we have to go on the same process. You have to save it. I click save and I have to save the Divin Dikshit paper also. Now it's saved. After that you get out from that app and next you need to go for checking Google Drive 10th CBSE. Now I clicked corrected. The not corrected paper is always there, and also you go and check the corrected paper. Here I corrected 2 papers and you have to see the arrow mark. You touch that and you need to upload. After that only you have to open it. So because of that you make sure your data is on and you are also Wi-Fi. So it's very simple only. It's take only few minutes to upload. So once you corrected 3 papers, you give upload. After you move on to the 3 paper, within a few minutes it's uploaded. So after that we move on to the next process. After finishing all the students correction, we have to send that link to the class teachers, and I show how to send also. I show in the same video. Dikshita's got uploaded, and Divin Dikshita also got uploaded. So if you need to send one by one means it's take too much of time. You need to send means you click the three dots, go copy link, and go to the class teacher and send. Otherwise you click long press to the corrected and go to the three dots in the corner, right corner, and copy link. You click copy link. After that you go to the WhatsApp. Go to the WhatsApp and selected the number whose you have to send. So I selected my another WhatsApp number for the reference how to send. I click that another WhatsApp number, and I have to paste the link, and I have to send it. Now you have to check by click that link. If we have to click means it's open like this. Now you have to see with the name wise your corrected paper is there. I have to click, you have to double click it for Dikshita. It's opened as a PDF and it shows your corrected paper with mark. After checking it, so now one by one each and every paper the class teacher can download it and send to the students. So whatever it is, we have to follow the rules and regulations. So now we finish the correction. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much to give this wonderful opportunity to explain how to correct the paper by Zodo app.